Good morning, students. Welcome to Risikool Online School. Today we will learn about tenses. Tenses locate a situation in time to indicate when the situation takes place. The three types of tenses are present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense, a verb which refers to the present time, is said to be in the present tense. For example, I study, I write. Past tense, a verb which refers to past time, is said to be in the past tense. For example, I wrote. Future tense, a verb which refers to future time, is said to be in the future tense. For example, I'll study, I'll write. Simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to express habitual action and general truths. For example, I play tennis every day. The sun rises from the east. The train leaves at 6 pm. They like apples. The simple present is a verb. It has only two forms. The simple form without an s, like sleep. The simple form plus SOES with third person singular subjects. We use SOES with third person singular subjects. Now we will discuss about four types of simple present tense. First one, statement sentences. A subject followed by the first form of the verb forms it. Form, if we are talking about form, subject plus first form of the verb. For example, I read. Any other example? I write. She stand. They eat vegetable. Simple interrogative sentences. It is formed by do or does and the first form of the verb. For example, do plus does plus subject plus the first form of the verb plus any object. Do I read? Do we sing? Does he or she stand? Simple negative sentences. It is formed by do not, does not and the first form of the verb. For example, I do not read. She does not stand. Simple interrogative and negative sentences. These are formed by do not, does not. Do not and does not. Form do, does plus not plus subject plus the first form of the verb. Don't I read? Doesn't he stand? Don't you play? Time expression. Time expression for simple present tense. Every day. Usually. Regularly. Each day. On Mondays. Sometimes. Each year. It doesn't use helping verb like is, am, are. How to form the simple present tense? If the doer is only one, it means singular. Adds SOES at the end of the verb. ES if the verb ends with CH, SH, SS and X. For example, my friend. Here friend is a singular third person. So we use S. Sends me a letter every month. So what we have done here, we use S with the verb first form. How to form the simple present tense? If the doer is only one, it means singular. If the verb ends with Y, then Y change to I, then add ES. Carry, carries. If the verb ends with vowel plus Y, then S add S, like stay. S-T-A-Y. A is a vowel, then S, so we use S. For example, some more examples are there. You can see positive, negative and interrogative. Here in positive, I read. Negative, I do not read. And interrogative, do I read? You, we or they read. Negative, you, we or they don't read. And in interrogative, do you, we or they read? In positive, he, she reads. He or she does not read. Does she read? So that's all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day.